just wet plants slapping me. There's the privilege. Good morning, everybody.
From day 93.
It is 7:45 a.m. and we are off.
And we are soggy.
It is the 4th day in a row of being damp, and today it's finally raining. But silver lining is that it's nice and cool for once.
Yeah, it feels great. I think we're gonna have some really flat terrain here, but a little bit rocky today, I read in the comments so far out, so.
Well, it looked neither flat, well, it didn't look very flat from the map, so I don't know, we'll see. There was a big spike or something in there. Yeah, we're looking to go like hopefully 20 miles today to a tent site. Gonna have another water carry today also, so for the next 10 miles we're pretty much gonna have a water carry. Every water source today besides one is like a 0.4 mile blue blaze off the trail, so that's great. So we're just gonna have to, well, luckily it's raining, so I'm not super thirsty right now, so hopefully we can hold off until we can get it right off the trail. But
I'm always thirsty. The rain never takes away my thirst.
Yeah. Well, that's the story for today. See you guys in a few. We're getting our Rocksylvania conditioning right here. It is just full of rocks. And we've been passing a crap ton of people. Maybe section hiking? I don't know. Oh, also ran into another YouTuber. John's Dad Hikes. So check him out. Yeah, and it just started raining again, so I don't know why I'm filming, but yeah, we've just been seeing a lot of people this morning. I'm just trying not to slip and fall on these rocks here. Oh boy. And it is humid, humid, humid. It's only 70 degrees out and I'm still sweating. Where is there a waterfall when you need one? Seriously. I always find a waterfall when it's cool out and I don't really want to jump in. That's when you come past a waterfall. Now the AT is making us walk through this field, getting our shoes very wet, but the blazes are over there. There's some kind of ruins, so that's something. Let's get a bit closer and check it out. Pretty cool, huh? Lots of really cool Civil War memorabilia here. Cool ruins. Now we're back in the green tunnel. Maryland has been honestly pretty cool. You know, I've been learning a lot just by reading the signs. A lot of history here. Ooh. just wet plants slapping me. My shoulders are soaked. Here's my sad rainy lunch. A block of cheese, wheat thins, tuna packet. This is it, in front of the bathroom too. Good times. Hello guys. So we just spent the last 1 hour 45 in the shelter slash bathrooms. Well, they were actually just bathrooms.
Yeah, they were bathrooms and they became gender neutral bathrooms.
Yes.
The women's bathroom specifically, everyone congregated.
Everyone was hanging out there. I don't know why.
And
no
I
one's
turned it into
men.
a cafe. I cooked up some great food. Close call made us coffee.
That was great. I got a shower.
I got a shower and I should have taken advantage of that, but I did not want to go into my pack for clothing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now we're hiking again to Pine Knob Shelter.
Yep.
It is 5.7 away. We're gonna get there and we're gonna camp.
Yeah, we're gonna camp. It's gonna be good. Didn't do as many miles as we were hoping, but the rain was horrendous and I've never seen that much before on trail. But I think it's mostly stopped now, but I still have an umbrella because I really don't want to get wet again. After I just took a nice shower. Wow, we just looked at the ground and saw pine needles.
It feels like home.
And we're amongst the pine trees. Woo! Wow, it's been a while.
Look at all of them.
How we missed our pine boys and hemlock friends and cedar brothers.
Cedar brothers.
It's man, oh, I love trail like this, so wide and spread out.
And there's no poison ivy.
No poison ivy.
Oh,
Oh man, we're getting closer.
we're
Getting
close.
closer to
I
home.
can feel it.
Yeah.
It's changing.
Look at all this. Some hemlock. Ooh boy, we're excited. Ooh, here it is. Oh, very good. This is the original Washington Monument here in Maryland.
Oh, this was an hour ago.
Oh, I got it.
It's real dark.
That's spooky.
Yeah, I'm locking you guys in.
Don't do it!
Don't do it. Yes. Give me all your food in your bank.
I'll
No.
gladly give you all my food.
Actually, yeah.
I'll let
Didn't have
down
it.
my hair like Rapunzel. Oh wow. This is incredible. Can't see.
Well, yeah. Oh well.
This is cool.
It's very misty.
Very
I wonder how many people get to walk up here.
Nice birds. And more birds. Super foggy. Heck yeah. Woo. Beautiful view. Finally, someone thought to give us a bridge over the highway. Oh no. This is nice, huh? Yeah, I thought we were gonna have to cross that.
Oh, thank goodness we did.
Yeah.
Yeah, really nice fella.
Hello friends, long time no fern update. So we are about 1 mile away from Annapolis Rocks, where we're going to be camping for the night. There are some far out comments about copperheads nesting in the rocks there, but we will be camping away from the rocks, so I think we should be all good. And it's been just like a beautiful foggy day. I actually really enjoyed myself today. I got some time hiking alone, hiked straight through the rain, but check out my shins. Just absolutely plastered with mud. I guess I just hike like really aggressively. Gypsy shins are spotless. I think that's really funny, but we'll see you at camp. I'm so tired.
We are having one of those we don't know how to be people moments.
Yeah. Like, I just sit in the tent and literally can't stand up because I'm so sore at the end of the day. But then you wake up the next morning and it's like, oh, I feel great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see how we feel.
We'll see.
We're just wet. Well, we're not wet anymore, but we're just kind of chilled now.
How are you feeling, close call?
Good. A little stiff, but good.
A little stiff.
Yeah, coldest water we've had, I think.
Yeah.
Really.
It is.
It's
It was
nice.
gushing out of there.
Yeah, fast and cold.
Oh yeah.
Refreshing.
Fast and cold.
Straight
Oh,
out of the
baby.
sky and the mountain.
Anyways, so this is our tent site. We got the group site here at Annapolis Rocks. And yeah, it's pretty nice. You know, there's a couple spots, so we're still waiting on Mojo. She's like mile and a half behind us. But yeah, we're just hanging out, cooking some food. We're starving.
Too tired to even cook,
Yeah.
honestly.
It's finally stopped raining, and we're just hoping tomorrow won't be super humid, but
Yeah.
I'm doubting that. But we're dry right now, and that's what matters.
We're dry and warm, and we got lots of food
Yeah,
to cook.
lots of food. So more angel hair delight.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I miss using the stove. It's been so long
Yeah,
since I've been able to.
I know. We haven't cooked for like 4 or 5 days.
4 or 5 days on
It's
trail.
been bad.
We've been just
Uh,
either, stopping at like a gas station and eating before, or just like eating earlier on trail and then not being
Yeah.
hungry.
Yeah. So we've been getting bored of the freeze-dried and pre-packaged stuff, so we're trying to branch out, but we had to cook. We had to do it because our food bags are at least 45 pounds of each.
45.
45 pounds each.
Because it's kind of cool out, so
Yeah,
I
it's
want
nice and
something
cool,
hot.
and we want some hottie.
some coffee.
Hello. And good night from day 93.
Good night, friends.
It was a long, moist, and damp and wet day.
It was moister than an oyster.
Yeah, it was soggy, but we pulled through.
We pushed.
And we pushed like 18 miles, even though we had a nice
Torrential
break.
rains.
And we stayed in the bathroom and sheltered in the bathroom for an hour 45.
We were there for a while.
Torrential downpours. Just the most we've seen.
We all just cooked food in the women's bathroom. It became a gender neutral bathroom.
Yeah.
And we all just made it a lounge.
Yeah. We were hanging out. Yeah.
We're
at the Annapolis Rocks camping area, and we'll go check them out in the morning. Maybe we might not get a sunrise, but we'll get a sunrise. We'll be there early.
Yeah,
you know?
we're gonna try our best to get some pretty footage for you guys. So,
Yeah.
thanks for watching today.
We'll see you in the morning.
See ya.